Just finished restoring this wonderful antique Griesbaum singing bird cage. This is a very early one, probably from the 1920s or 1930s. I restored it appropriately. So if you notice that there aren't any crazy parrot or macaw feathers or pond plants in the bird cage. These bird cages were made in Germany, and they're supposed to have a continental look to them, you know, not a jungle look. And that's the original foliage. I was able to maintain that. New premium velvet. I kept the same red color. I did what's called a gentle restoration to the brass case to maintain the patina, but also give it a little bit of shine. Fully refeathered the bird, went through the mechanical movement and the bellows, and this really runs well. Let's watch it play, and I'm going to do the pause feature first. The pause feature only works if the bellows are in excellent condition. Let's move to continuous. What I like about this too is the foliage are fall colors rather than the more common green ones. Has the black forest mushroom. As if you notice, the song is strong and clear. It oscillates properly. Overall, turned out really nice. I just turned it off. Also, on the really early ones, their eyes are larger than the ones made, you know, in the 1950s and newer. Wanted to share it. Take care.